Markets just opened, your phone's buzzing like a bee in a blender, and every headline's flashing red. Your stomach flips, your thumb hovers over sell, and CNBC already booked the Four Horsemen special. Pause, breathe. There's a 2000-year-old toggle switch that turns panic into stillness. One sentence, one habit, the same trick Roman generals used before battle and that Buffett uses before breakfast. Stick around. In the next few minutes you'll flip that switch and you'll never again dump your best stocks because a chart sneezed. While most investors watch their screens bleed and feel their pulse spike, a quiet minority pour another coffee, mute the news and take the dog out. They're not reckless, they're stoics. They know a single rule that makes the crash irrelevant, and today it's yours. The red candle isn't the problem, the horror movie in your head is. Losing the house, the vacation, the bragging rights at brunch, that reel runs on one lousy line. I have to control outcomes. Stoicism deletes it. Epictetus put it plain. We can't choose external events, but we can always choose our response. Read it again because that's the whole game. Markets fall, external. Your move, internal. Clip your well-being to the quality of your next decision, not the number on the screen, and the crash turns into elevator music. Draw a circle inside my actions, outside everything else. That's it, the Stoic Swiss Army knife. Prices live outside, savings rate, asset mix and pulse rate live inside. In a sell-off, 90% of stomach acid comes from staring at the outside. Look inward and the acid reflux disappears. Marcus Aurelius, busy running a plague-ridden empire, still scribbled, "Let nothing future disturb you, you'll meet it with the same reason you apply now." Keep that in your pocket and headlines lose their bite. Knowing it won't buy the groceries, using it will. Steal the 60-second routine elite investors lifted from Stoic mornings. Before you open the brokerage app, write, "Today I can control." And list one thing, max the IRA, rebalance to the written target, whatever. Read it aloud, close the app till the job's done. Sounds like kindergarten. It's kryptonite to panic because it nails your brain to controllable action. Do it daily and you'll build what Seneca called a tranquility that nothing can shake. Brokers call it discipline, Stoics call it Tuesday. Buffett doesn't tweet Marcus Aurelius quotes, yet his cash pile grows loudest when markets scream. Charlie Munger summed it up. We don't talk about what the market will do because we can't know. Meanwhile, Dalbar's latest study shows the average equity investor lagged the S&P by about 3 points a year, almost all from buying high, selling high blood pressure. The gap's not IQ, it is EQ. Flip the Stoic switch, and you automatically buy the dip you once feared. Over 30 years, that behavior alone can triple a retirement nest egg, even if your stock picking is mediocre. Philosophy pays compound interest. Who knew? Volatility isn't a bug, it's the cover charge for returns. Accept that and crashes become coupons. Next time the market gaps down 5%, try this 3-step reframe. 1. Say out loud, "I expected this, just didn't know when." 1. Repeat the dichotomy. I control contributions, not quotes. 1. Ask, which quality asset is on sale today? Write the ticker, execute, shut the laptop, do it once, and every future dip feels like deja vu, not doomsday. If this saved you a sleepless night, smash like so the algorithm rescues the next investor before he clicks sell. Comment the one thing inside your circle you'll act on today. Let's build a thread of rational moves amid the chaos. Cool story, but what if markets stay down for a decade? Japan's lost decade, says patient buyers still won. Global growth came back, so did their accounts. Stoics don't forecast, they stay ready. I'm retired, I can't wait. Fair. Tweak the controllables, spending rate, cash bucket, maybe a fun side hustle. The philosophy scales because it protects the only portfolio that never faces a bear market, your mindset. Subscribe if you want ancient wisdom served as modern money moves. I drop new Stoic investing hacks every week, usually when the market's throwing a tantrum. When the next crash arrives, and it will, 2 versions of you will show up. The headline reactor or the Stoic actor. Pick the second. Tape the dichotomy to your monitor. Control what you can, shrug at the rest. Wealth grows not by avoiding downturns, but by avoiding dumb decisions. Flip that switch and the market can fall, your plan won't. Marcus said it best. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Let the crash stand in your way and watch it become your path to richer returns and, more importantly, a calmer life.